December. This is the last month of the 2020. Okay, whole 7 to 8 months you spent learning at home only, children. Please utilize these good times, because if you are at school, we will make you to learn and write. But at home, your mama is also supporting you a lot. You just utilize that time to learn some goods. Okay. Now your teacher is your mother only. Okay. Please obey her orders. What she will tell, just listen to her calmly and complete your homework day-to-day basis. Sit quietly and hear to the online class, recorded class, what ma'am will tell to you, so that it will easy to you to grasp the things. Already so many months we spent with this mobile conversation only. Just you have to practice the same thing for few more days. Okay, just listen to me, listen to your teacher, what she will tell, then open your books, go through that, take your mama's help, she will explain you again, so that the 3 times you will go through the same sequence. Okay, shall we start our class? Children, please learn little prayer. Every time I am remembering you, because you are already passed from LKG to UKG. So please learn your literally prayer. Already you learned in LKG. This year also a new year to you. But the prayer is old for you. Just you have to learn the literally prayer. Okay? Yes? Shall we start our class? Yes. First I am going to teach you English. As usual, we were learning long oval. Long oval, O. Correct, no? We were learning long oval, O. What are those words? Moon, soon, tool, pool. Then what else? Roof. What is this? Boot. Stool. Then pool. Cool. So many words are there. But as usual, I am telling you the few words I am writing, which is very easy to learn for you. Okay, you can see more words in the YouTube or in your Google search. Okay, these are common words. If you learn this much, is also very useful for you. Okay, this is nothing but it will helps you to twist your tongue. For that, oval. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ if you go on reading, that helps your tongue to fix it with the long words. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because when you go to your higher classes, they will use all these short vowels and long vowel words as a common words. Yes, and they will give a sentence or a paragraph. That time you have to write your own self. So you have to learn. This is the very basic for you. Please learn this thing. Okay, I will go to sentence. Okay, okay, I written pool 2 times. Okay, the pool is cool. Next, moon comes soon in night. comes soon in the night. Okay, these all are some sentences. You can make your own sentences. You can go through that. Okay, this is the root. Moon comes soon in night. Like that you can make so many words, so many sentences. First you have to think of that, then you come to know. You go through the Discover Phonics book or Phonic Activity book, you get so many words you can make. First you read that word, you understand the meaning of that word, then you can make the sentences of your own. Okay, then today this is for your first part of English. Now we are moving to the next part of English, that is our sight words. In that today we are learning I. I andre nanu. I can write. I can write. I like to sing. Okay, I like to read. Then I like to eat. So many words are there in the I concept. Okay, so many words are there. I can write, I can like, I can read, I can eat. Okay, this I can pass. You can pass something, no? That is I can pass. I can pass. Okay, like this you can write in sentences. I can write, I like to sing, I like to read, I like to eat, I can pass. This is so many sentences that you can make using the sight word I. Okay children, understood? These all are the sight words. As usual I am telling you what do you mean by sight words. It's a word which joins the words to make a meaningful sentences. Okay, the homework is as usual homework. Read Discover Phonic book, page number 28 and 29. Okay, this is one homework and you need to complete the page number 29. Then in one sec, Phonic Activity book, the second homework, Phonic Activity book, page number 31. Okay, 31. What they are given? Words they are given: boot, hoof, moon, wool, root, broom, drew, true. Okay, these are some words they are given. What you have to write? You have to write your name, you have to write your date. With that, the page number 32 also. What they are given? The pool is too cool and deep. The boot is on the roof. You have to write two lines, but be careful when you are writing. You have to see what they have written. Red to blue line or blue to red line. Like that you just go through that and you have to finish. Circle the rhyming words. Soon, moon, noon, day. What are the rhyming words? Soon, moon, noon. Three also rhyming words. You can circle. Like that you go through that. First write your name, then write your date. If you don't forget to write the date, it's very useful for you also, for us also. Okay children, this is the homework for your English. With that you have to make 6 sentences using I sight word. Okay, make 6 sentences using I sight word. Already I taught you know I sight word, that with I sight word you have to make 6 sentences of your one. Where you have to do this one? In your 4 lines book. Okay children, this is for your English. Now I am moving to the next, that is our maths. In the maths, we are learning same. What do you mean by same? That is nothing but a sets. Okay. What do you mean by same? Unde tara. If you can draw one tree, so another tree. If you can draw one ball, then you can draw another ball. If you can draw one hut, you should draw another one hut. Okay, this is a same. Same ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. You know what do you mean by same? Same or equal. Okay, same, it's nothing but a equal. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಬರ ಸೆಟ್. ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. one house set. Okay, if I take an example of a row A and row B. Okay, here how many trees are there? Here also 2 trees. Okay, can you understand? This is same or equal. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I'll show you some example. See, I have 2 pencils, both are same. See, one pencil is equal to one pencil, or this pencil is same as this pencil. Same and equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, is this stick is same as this? Yes, both are yellow color. Or this stick is equal to this stick. ಇಲ್ಲಿ right hand is equal to left hand. Right hand ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, like that I can show you. See, here 2 red triangles, here 2 yellow triangles. Both the ends are same. I kept the 2 triangles here, 2 triangles here. Both the hands are same. The colors are different, but the quantities are equal. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. If I go to color, see, I have 1 triangle in right hand, 1 triangle in left hand. See, both are same. ಇದು ಕಲರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. This is equal to this. Correct? No? This is equal to this. See, this is equal to this. ಬೋತ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You can go to like this, it will get a square. Yes, like that. I'll show you some crayons with the same colors. Can you see? One green crayon, another one green crayon. Both are same. Okay, blue and blue, both are same. Red and red, both are same. Black and black, both are same color crayons. Okay, like that we can go to sketch pen also. See, I have two brown color which are same to same. One is equal to one. One crayon is equal to one crayon. Okay. One sketch pen is equal to one sketch pen. This is same. We can do this like this also. Two. Here two brown color, two blue color, but both are same, equal. Okay, here also I have two, here also I have two. Both the numbers are same, but colors are different. Okay. See, one ring is there. I will join this ring. Okay. Totally I have two rings here. Here I have two cylinders. Okay. Two cylinders is equal to two rings. Both the quantities are same. Both are different, but the numbers are same. Illu eride, illu eride. Okay, like that. See, I have two clips and two clips. The colors of the clips are different, but I have two clips here or pegs here and two pegs here. Okay, 2 is equal to 2. Yes, children? Understood? What is the difference of these? Same and equal. Same andre makla illi eshtirutho illu ashte irutte. Okay? Andre ninge color different athwa size different irbodu. Equal antandre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ that is equal to left hand. Red and red, blue and blue, that is the equal. Equal and same are none other but a same with the same meaning. Okay, understood? Yes, I will explain this with some examples. only we have to concentrate on the counting numbers. Here how many cats are there? 1, 2. Is there any two object matching with the cat? Yes. What is that? 1, 2 flowers. See, cat is different, flower is different, but we will only concentrate on the numbers. That is 2 plus 2. 2 cats matches with the 2 flowers. Okay? Like that. This is 4 leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves are there. Can you see 4 here? Yes. There are 4 trees. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 trees. Now you have to match with the 4 with 4. Here how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rectangles are there. There I have written 7 balls. You need to match 7 with 7. Here no need of matching the same thing, okay? Only we need to concentrate on the quantity, not the same pictures. The quantity of the A column matches with the B column. If I want to tell in a sentence, 2 cats are equal to 2 flowers. 4 leaves are equal to 4 trees. 7 rectangle is equal to 7 balls. This is the concept. Now I will show these things in the whatever items I showed you, same to same. That we will rechange and I will show you again. See, for example, I have 2 clips and 2 triangles. Both are same with the quantity. Illu ergide, but both are different object. Now this is equal to this. Okay? Like this, you can match with the quantity or either with the quantity or with the objects. Okay? I think you understand. Little bit confusion regarding this, children. Just you go through at home, you will come to know what is the same concept and equal concept. Okay? Now we will move to next once again. Okay, the homework is Maths workbook, page number 19. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? Now we will go to the next concept, that is EVS. Yesterday we learned some underwater elements. Today we are going to a new concept, plants. What do you mean by plants? Plants ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಗಿಡ, ಮರ, ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ? ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ಸ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಸಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇರಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್, ಅದು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. You get the flowers. Then seeds. Water required to grow plant. Sunlight required to grow plant. Then what else? Medicine. medicine ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. Then what else? It's green, grows park, hill station. Correct no? ನಿಮಗೆ plants ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು green in color. It grows, plant grows. We get a furniture wood from the plants. We get a fruits to eat. We get a flowers. We get a seeds. And seeds is required to grow a plant. Water. Yes. How the plant will grow? It grow with the water. Its sunlight is very essential to grow the plant. Yes. From the plant we will get a medicine. Yes. No. Tulsi and all we will use it as a Brahmi and that Ashwagandha and all we will use this as a medicine. Okay, then we can see plants in park, hill station, and we will get a vegetables also. Yes, forest. Correct no? So many words we will get. Plants ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ we will get, seeds we will get, sunlight will be very much there, park, hill station, and also rain. The rain comes where there is a lot of plants. Correct no? Where there is a plants there will be a rainfall. Yes Salma? Yes or not? Yes, these all are some words which we will get to our mind when we talk about plants. Now ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. I will show you some pictures. See, this is a picture of one forest. Okay, one forest. It is very green. Can you see the greeneries here? Yes children. And what is that? Sunlight. Can you see the sunlight? Yes. Flowers, you can see the flowers here? Yes. Then what else? Creepers. Creepers are there. Small plants are there. Big plants are there. This is a small leaf in the forest. Okay? I'll show you another one picture. This is created with our imaginary picture. Can you see? Here also plants are there, grasses are there, sun is there, cloud is falling on the plants. See, big plants are there, all the plants, some fruits are there, and all are playing in a plant land. Okay, it's looking like a park or a picnic spot. Okay, it's looking like a picnic spot. Okay. Yes, this picture, can you see this picture? What is happening here? Yes, the girl is putting a water to the small plants at her house from the window. What is that? Why she is giving a water to plant? Yes, the water is very required to grow plants. What are those colorful things here children? Yes, that is flowers, and the leaves are in green color. Very good. Yes, from this picture we come to know that the plants require what? Water. Yes no children? Yes. Now I discuss something about plants. Okay, as I told you, plants gives us flowers. Plants gives us fruits. Plants gives us what? Vegetables. Gives uses flowers, correct? No, jasmine, dahlia, hibiscus, tulips, or some marigold, or any flowers. It grows on where? Plants. Maybe a long plants or a short plants, but it will grows on a plant. Next, plants gives us fruits, correct? No, apple, mosambi, orange, and banana, or any grapes or watermelon, any fruits whichever you eat, including the special fruits like kiwi, what butterfruit, everything will grows in a plant. Plant gives us fruits, correct, right? Next, plants gives us vegetables, correct? The where we grow the vegetables like carrot, radish, or cucumber, or cabbage, any green vegetables like leaves, curry leaves, coriander, that is also a plant. Okay, mint leaves, all these are the small plants. That plants gives us vegetables. Okay, next one, plants gives us oxygen. Why oxygen is required? Can anyone tell me, children, what is the oxygen? Yes, oxygen ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಳಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಅಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. The last point, plants most are green color. Yes, no, you have seen, no, always the plants will be almost in a green color. It may varies in colors like light green, dark green, parrot green, or a red green also is there. But the most of the plants, there will be at least one line will be in a green color. Okay, plants are most are green in color. Okay, children, this is for today. The homework is as usual in your internet book. Paste the picture of plant and write above 5 points. You can copy the same points, or if you want, you can write your new points. Okay. Now we will move to our next class, that is Hindi. Okay, till now what we learn? E, E, U, U, Ru, E, Au, O, correct, no? Still here we learn these are the aksharagalu. Next we are going to Vyanjana. In that, kha, kha, gha, gha, nya. We learned this thing. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಅ ಸೆ ಅನಾರ್, ಅ ಸೆ ಆಮ್, ಇ ಸೆ इनाम, ई से इक, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, र से ऋषि, ए से एक, ये से एनक, ओ से ओट, आ औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, आहा। ओके, ख से कमल, ख से खरगोश, ग से घर, घ से गदा, ಘನ್ಯ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ನೋ ಗ से कमल और खत, ख से खरगोश, ग से गदा, घ से गन्या, ख ख ग घ न्या. Today we are going to learn a new word, that is cha cha jajana. Cha, you have to write like this, put one U shape and straight line. Cha cha ja ja cha cha ja ja na, cha cha ja ja nya, cha cha ja ja nya. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಚ ಚರಕ್, ಚರಕ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಚರಕ್. ಹಿಂದಿಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳಿಬಾರ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಚರಕ, ಕಮಲ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಆದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಚರಕ್. ಓಕೆ, च से ಚಾದರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಛತ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚಾದರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಛತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಛತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜ से ಜಹಾಜ್, ಜಹಾಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಶಿಪ್ಗೆ ಜಹಾಜ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಛ से ಚರಕ್, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, ज से झरना. Then na, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. छ से चरक, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, ज से झरना. झरना ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಝರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಝರ್ನಾ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಬರೆದು ಕಲಿಯೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ನೀವು ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅ ಇಂದ ಅಹವರೆಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್. ಕ ಇಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಓರಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ च से चरक, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, ज से झरना, न्या. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓರಲ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ pages till na in Hindi practice book. Okay, complete pages till na in Hindi practice book. This you have to do. This is the homework for today. I think I have covered everything for today. Today the homework is little bit high, children. Do it slowly and finish it off. Okay children, take care. Bye.